Hey guys, welcome to my Laurentix channel. I have a new product to show you, and this is a stainless steel pet water fountain thanks to Whoopit. I remind you we have a 10% discount with the code you see on the screen. So let's get started with the unboxing time. We are going to open this box together. This little book comes that you must read it from top to bottom to know how it works. But if you're lazy for that, don't worry. I'm making this kind of video for you where I'm explaining everything. And it also comes this water filter. And don't forget to make your pet part for this unboxing so that it becomes familiar. This cable comes with a USB input only for this type of adapter. Also comes this little brush to clean the water pump. And this is how the water fountains look. It's small and lightweight. The filter goes here on this part, but while we continue with the unboxing, we have to soak the filter for 5 minutes in fresh water before use. The black sponge enters the water pump. The cable is held in a nozzle of the yellow holder, where we will also place the water pump that comes with those little black pacifiers to stabilize. Guys, this is very important. We must wash all new devices to be used, especially where our pets are going to drink or eat. Then you can add up to 2 liters of water, and remember you can use tap water because the water fountains brings the filter. That tube from the water pump should fit into the white tube from the lid. We plug in and look at what a beautiful fountain. It's silent, it's approved by veterinarians, and this is a fun and healthy way for your pets to stay hydrated. And it is only for indoor use at home. The water pump must be washed every 2 weeks with the brush. And you can use it from 2.5 years to 4 years. All information about Whoopit will be down in my description box. Subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, and follow me on my social media. Bye!